Hello again. I have an email here I wanted to look at and show you. It says, by the way, there's any way of changing the colors of RXB startup screen. I use an old TV set, so he wants to change the colors. And yes, there is a very easy way to do this. I've included in RXB all the source code. So if you go to RXB 2012 and then go to the source file, which is it'll look like this. Here's RXB 2012. And you open that up and you have a source file in there. In the source file is a text listing of all the files and what they do. So you have all the source, every kind of source you can imagine. It's all right there in your hands. So with that in mind, here's the source file right here. So to answer your question, first off, we're going to do here is we're going to change something here, something that I like to do, which is your power up. So if we go into a hex editor and then load the file, it's going to be in our mods folder of classic, or if you're using something else, it'll work pretty much the same way. It'll be at 6,000. So in regular RXB, the gram file would be at 6,000, and this one, the first file in this one is 6,000 also. So if we open that up and look at it in a hex editor or a sector editor, here's your header right here, 663B. So if we change this one to 633B, the same thing, we'll turn this into a power up. Now, in answer to your question, what we'll do is we'll go here and we're going to type in, let's do this. Let's go with back. That is a GPL command for finding the background. Now we're going to have a few backs in here because we're starting from the very first of the file. And there it is. There's our background right there. Now this background in the source file is the background color for when the program's running. It's going to be your blue background. This is from GKXB, but RXB uses the same one. In answer to your question, right here, FO, this is your white foreground and transparent background color. So this is the one you're going to change. It's going to be located right here at 6948. So if we go down to, in our hex editor, if we're using classic, we're going to go down to 9 because 6,000 is that first byte right there for the 0 on the offset. So 6940, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8. This is the byte you would change to what you want. You could change that to what you want to change the foreground and background color of the screen. So you would save this and overwrite it. And now if we go to Classic 99, we have a power up by, and of course, as what you've done, the screen would already automatically be whatever color that you want. So that's all there is to it. It's an automatic power up. If you quit, whoops, made top screen. Anyways, as you can see, it'll change the power up, so it'll always go back to the power up for what you want, and you can do whatever you want with that. Anyways, that's the answer to your question. We'll talk to you guys later.